Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reagan if this is your first time here. So today what I'm going to be going over is my morning routine that I have. Now with this, not every day do I do a face mask, but I like to have at least, I would say, twice a week doing a face mask, just to help with the skin. But I kind of want to go over everything that I use. Now my hair obviously is somewhat brushed, no makeup on whatsoever. Now one of the first things that I do in the mornings when I get up is I like to use my Garnier Micellar cleansing water to go ahead and just clean off any of the dirt or anything like that, grime from sleeping overnight. Now I always obviously do this at the end of the night as well, which I will do a end of night kind of routine video for you so you can see what I do before bed as well. So go ahead and we're going to take the cleansing wipe here. And I do like to drag it down the neck to make sure we get all of that as well. Alright, so now after using the cleanser, the next thing I like to do is put on a toner. So this is from Medusa's Makeup. This is the Rose All Day Facial Toner. This is vegan, cruelty-free, and paraben-free. And it does have a light rose scent, so if you do not like scented toners, then obviously I would not go with this one. So I'm going to let that dry for just a moment. And the face mask that I'm going to be using today is from the Creme shop. This is their Collagen face mask. It reduces looks of fine lines and wrinkles, diminishes appearance of age spots, and helps firms and smoothen skin. And so this is kind of what it looks like. I'm not sure if you're going to really be able to see it with all that holograph on there. But basically it just tells you, you make sure you have clean, dry skin. Apply a toner if you want, which I've already done. You put the mask on the skin and use the excess stuff in the package for the necks and parts of the face that are not covered by the mask. Remove the mask remove mask after 15 to 20 minutes and discard. You do not want to wash off or pat dry. And then you just proceed with your routine skin regimen. So again, let's go ahead and, now this one is also cruelty free, which is always one of the reasons why I get this brand skin stuff. So we'll go ahead, we'll pull it out. Alright, make sure I have everything unfolded here. Pretty sure everyone knows just how well or how to work a face mask. And I always like to bring this down the neck and onto the chest because everyone needs to have smooth, no wrinkled neck and chest skin. Alright, now that that is on, I am going to set my timer to, I've already forgot the time. What did they say? 20 minutes. So, alright, so I will be back in 20 minutes and then we will continue with the rest of my daily routine. Alright, so it now has been 20 minutes, give or take, so I'm going to go ahead and we're going to peel this off. So we're going to give that just a moment for it to kind of dry a little bit before we move on to the next step. You have to excuse me, I have a very angry hedgehog right now because I made her take a bath. So she is never so much a fan of bath time. Yeah. And you hear her fussing at me now. But she'll be happy in a little bit because I will give her some mealworms. And then we'll be friends again. Isn't that right, Emmy? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so this is almost dry. Let her crawl into her little ball here of comfort. Okay, so now that that has been dried, what we're going to do next is I am going to use the Pure Less. This is the Prevent Blue Locust Balancing Moisturizer. This has white tea in it that offers antibacterial to help the skin's smoothing abilities with vitamin E for premature aging, and some French marine plants to help retain moisture. Blue locust is a powerful antioxidant known for its anti-inflammatory benefits. So this is one that helps with hydration, fine lines prevention, and it's perfect for under makeup. And this is for all skin types, normal, dry, and sensitive. So go ahead and we're going to put some of this moisturizer on. And I do like to rub in a circular motion. I really like to get right through in here on both sides because that is my driest area. It's just right in this general section. I don't know why, but that has always been my dry area. Everywhere else is pretty much oily. So, go figure. I do like to bring this down on the neck as well. Alright. Now the next thing is, this is also, I'm actually using 3 products from Pure Less. This is not a sponsored video or anything like that. It's just these are products that I have that I like and use. So this one is a 4-in-1 eye serum. It intensifies hydrations, it firms, it brightens, and it decreases puffiness. This one again is all for all skin types. So we're just gonna, and I like to use a dabbing motion, or tapping I guess you can say, when applying to and around the eyes, because this is a very sensitive area, so you don't want to tug it. We just want to do that little tapping motion as we get it all dispensed. Now, not all people need to go through such an extensive daily routine. It's really a preference, and also depending on your type of skin and everything like that. I am in the higher age range, so for me it is very important to keep my skin fully moisturized and to help prevent against any of the fine wrinkles that may start showing up, because I do not want to look my age at all. Yes, we hear you. You're mad. I understand. Alright, So then the next thing that I'm going to use, this is a daily lip nourishing with mango and shea butter. This hydrates, nourishes, heals, softens, and it's petroleum free, and this is also for all skin types. I really like this lip balm because of all the stuff that it has in it. Like I said, it's enriched with mango and shea butter, jojoba, and rice bran oil, and vitamin E. So this helps heal dry and cracked lips, leaving them lush, soft, moist, and youthful looking. Okay, Emmy, you can stop that now. And I just like to get a little bit, just like, and a little bit goes a long way with this. So alright, so now that I have all of that done, the next thing that I like to do is I do add a second moisturizer. This is from Loreal. This is the Ideal Moisture Even Tone Daily Lotion. It's a 48-hour hydration that also includes the SPF 25. The reason I like this one is, for one, obviously it has the SPF in it, but it also moisturizes my skin without leaving it oily all day, which is something I definitely don't need. And I like the fact that it also has the ability to help even out the skin tone, because I do have a lot of red spots or red areas on my skin. So this kind of helps with that. Alright, now that we have the face done, the last kind of thing that I do, this actually deals with my hair. I do not wash my hair every day. I do not wash it every other day. I might wash it about once a week or once every other week, that kind of thing, just depending on how it's going for me that week as to whether or not we're going to be washing it. So I do live off of the Batiste Dry Shampoo. This is my favorite dry shampoo to use. I've tried several others, but they've never held up to how well this one works. So we're just going to spray this into the roots. Alright, so once I get sprayed, and I don't use it on the ends of my hair because I don't want the moisture taken out of that. I'm actually going to use something else for the ends. I do like to brush this through because this does have a white cast to it. Now obviously you can get the one that's for dark hair, but I think it's like a brownish color, and that obviously is not going to work with my blue hair. So I just deal with the white cast and just make sure that I kind of brush it all out there. And then I still like to kind of massage it into the scalp a little, and that helps just kind of pull that oils away a little bit there. Alright, so now that I have the dry shampoo in for the roots, what I like to do next is, after brushing out the knots again, because it doesn't take long for that to knot up. Alright, did I get it all? Maybe. Okay, so I like to bring the hair to the front in two sections, and then what I use is the Biosilk Silk Therapy doesn't take much of this either, even with my long hair. I only put about that much, well, you can't really see it, but about a dime size in, and just kind of work it together in my hands first, and then I drag it through the ends of my hair, so that way they stay moistured. Alright, so there you have it. This is what I use as my daily routine for getting ready in the mornings before starting my makeup. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel. And you can hit that notification bell so that you will be reminded the next time that I upload. I am looking at a schedule of Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You have a great day and enjoy the rest of it. Thanks for watching.